Greetings and welcome to the synopsis for the next week coming here, which will be the week of July 14th. This is the week. This is actually the daily chart. Let's switch over to the weekly chart. This is the weekly. We see here 1, 2. It breaks this support, and it kind of stretches out a little bit, and there's a little tail here, which means they could perhaps be coming into the market for a little while. We shall see. Here you have a slight consolidation and a breakdown right here. It didn't really go so far, just like we planned from last week. But the volume is quite high, which means people did begin to sell, but people also began to buy. And there's a little doji here. Really, this area right here is what you want to concentrate on, because the price here exceeds 127.75. Then we might get a little buying push, which will translate on the weekly. And that's basically what we're looking at. Still no clear direction for a long-term trade. If you're already in a long-term trade and you're long, you should have your tights, your stops extremely tight. Okay, let's go back to the weekly, and we're down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's been 8 weeks on the spiders. That's a long time, so it wouldn't surprise me to have a positive week next week, or we don't know when it's exactly going to happen, but the probability gets higher the more it keeps going down like this without turning at all. Let's look at the Qs. Here on the Qs, it maintained its height above the 200 period moving average here on the weekly, and it really didn't go so far up, and it didn't go down. So basically it's the same, just like I said last week. Things are playing right out. And here it formed slight consolidation. They tried to buy it on this particular day, and then they sold it right back. We don't know what's going to happen, but once again, if this thing crosses high of 46.13, 46.15, then we might have a little buying pressure going on for a little while, maybe up to even the 200 period moving average here. That is quite possible, but yet nothing is clear. But I definitely wouldn't be too short, even though the spiders did break down on a weekly. It broke down at the wrong point. The point after so much selling had already taken place, so I don't assume that the selling is going to be very strong hereafter. Alright, that's it for the week. So basically, synopsis is you're still sitting on your hands because there's no clear signal either way. Thanks.